Kumusta po mga moms? Ito po ang ating mga sangkap sa ating budget meal.
In the rhythm divine
Magpainit po tayo ng mantika sa ating kawali.
it with dreams which
Ilagay po natin ang dilis sa ating kawali na may mainit na mantika at atin po itong i-fry.
midnight where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. We'll let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust gentle flow. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world
Halu-haluin lang po natin ang dilis hanggang ito ay maluto.
moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. Among constellations we'll find a way. Through the celestial symphony we'll sway.
Pagluto na ang ating mga dilis ay pwede na natin ito tanggalin sa ating kawali. And next, maggisa na po tayo ng ating kamatis.
Must define, caught in the spell of the cosmic night. The fences bloom in the pale moonlight. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirit
Next, ilagay na rin po natin ang ating mga bawang.
in the magic of the cosmic light. The shimmer
At sunod, ilagay na naman natin ang ating mga sibuyas.
guided by love's everlasting
At i-mix lang po natin ng ganito.
song in this cosmic gate.
At maglagay lang din po tayo ng asin, pangpalasa.
In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the
At next, pag okay na ang ating sibuyas, tomato at ang bawang, pwede na po natin ilagay ang ating mga dilis.
where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight, we'll let go of all that we know.
I-mix lang po natin ang mabuti para makombine po ang ating mga sangkap.
In the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you
At maglagay din po pala tayo ng 2 kutsara ng suka.
as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic
Kung may sili po kayong available, pwede niyo po ito lagyan.
relations. We'll find a way through the celestial
Charan! Luto na po ang ating budget meal. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.
behind.